Welcome to the Howdy Booby podcast. Here it is, Wednesday, the 17th of January. I'm in Buffalo, New York, and I am in the middle of a blizzard. There is a travel ban out. We can't go anywhere. So if you are in sunny California, Florida, Arizona, I envy you. Donald Trump won the Iowa caucus. But as always, the media downplays it as it was just a schoolyard election. They're looking for a way to make it seem cheap. But what they do most of all is make the people that vote for Donald Trump cut out as idiots. There's an electoral process in our country, one man, one vote, and you vote for who you like. I've always advocated that if you don't vote, you should not have a voice in opinions or whatever. But to vote is an American right. Not enough people do it. But it's your endorsement of someone's thoughts, how he stands, the direction that you want the country to go in. The media doesn't understand that. They talk about the divisiveness and the chaos in the Trump administration, which is a lie. More people were working then than ever before. Our enemies feared us. Our allies cheered us. Energy was plentiful and it was affordable. America, everybody felt good, and more importantly, as opposed to his predecessor or the man who succeeded him, Donald Trump, the President of the United States, actually loved the country he was president of. That did not seem to be the case with Barack Hussein or currently Joe Biden, because everything they have done is try to make America a second-rate country. They're trying to take your vote away. Joe Biden has canceled some Democratic primaries because he doesn't want the competition. So now, I just read an article where Biden actually won the Iowa caucus because the Democrats will get out to vote like crazy and Trump will be swamped because the media is going to destroy him. The weaponized Department of Justice is going to destroy him. But amongst all that, he still has the support because he did the right things as president. So remember that. Remember this upcoming campaign where the media is going to try to destroy Donald Trump. And I don't care how many times they say the Democratic Party has the mechanisms to get out the vote. They have to want to go out and vote for somebody. And there's no way that the Democratic Party en masse wants to vote for Joe Biden. Wait till the campaign goes on and Joe Biden has to answer more and more questions. People are going to see that the man can't handle it. Let's say an average presidential debate takes an hour. Do you think Joe Biden can talk for an hour? He can't do it. He can't handle it. I don't know who's running the country. I think Barack Hussein is doing his third term now. But that's what we're in. Chaos. You know, the terrorists are going after our ships in the Middle East. How many terrorists do you think are in the United States over the past year came in while they attacked the borders under this administration? And what happens if they launch another 9/11 type attack and kill Americans because Joe Biden and Barack Obama didn't give a rat's ass about border security. Think about that. Think about who you want as President of the United States. Have a great day. I will contact you after the blizzard. It's going to last all week, so maybe I'll get some pictures for you. Watch the Howdy Boomy podcast on the Howdy Boomy channel on YouTube. Trailers on Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn. Just dial in Howdy Boomy. It's the opinions of a baby boomer at what's going on today. It's brief. It'll make you think, which in these days is a good thing. I'll see you tomorrow. God bless you. God bless America.
Time frame, images of a generation. We grew up in a simpler time. We sang.
Say, kids, what time is it? NYC,
We laughed.
Hello, boy.
I can't believe I ate that whole thing.
We cried.
President Kennedy died at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time.
He's been shot. Lee Oswald has been shot.
We fought. We loved. We were attacked.
Japanese have attacked Pearl Harbor, Hawaii by air.
Our flag was still there. Now these memories come to life on posters that can be yours today. Go to howdyboomy.com for your copies today. That's howdyboomy.com. howdyboomy.com.